Okay, I think now the audio it's should be working. Damn. Okay, I think the audio is working well now. Okay, I think the audio is working well now. Yes, it's working well. Okay. So let's begin again. I was talking about how I'm trying to integrate AI into my life, and my AI is mostly being in the computer. So I am integrating my life and how I mm, relate with the computer. So for this, the computer or the AI needs my context. That's why Symbiotic AI exists. This is where I put everything about me in files, of course, and so that I can understand me later when I tell them to do stuff for me. It can understand me and can push back and tell me, stuff. So this is the public. There is the template, symbiotic AI, and you can check it, download, and use it. Everything I will do will be open source mainly. So this is just my experiment of documenting everything. Now, the other two projects are creating content about what is happening on AI, but from an emotional standpoint, because I noticed that people just don't want to accept that AI is a big deal. So there is a barrier there, an emotional barrier. So I will push content to break this emotional barrier and make people believe into AI more and understanding. And lastly, the terminal canvas. This is kind of experiment where I am trying to create my 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 best way to manage a lot of agents, a lot of AIs. Uh, I wanna show it to you. Um, but as I use it, I found it. The problem with having a system like that is um, it's just very time consuming, to develop. And I'm just waiting for having Fable 5 to improve it. Because right now it's kind of working, but the idea is simple. It's an infinite canvas where you can create a lot of terminals, and each terminal can spawn sub-terminals, and each terminal is going to be an agent, and you manage these agents like this. Look at this. This is the principal agent, and has spawned two sub-agents. I like the idea. It works, but the UI, look at the UI, is not clean. Uh, so I need to improve the UI and make it more stable and add more features. So a lot of work to do here. So this prototype is kind of just a proof of concept for now. It has it let's say is in the alpha version, but um, I will try to improve it. It's also open source. What is that term canvas? Here it is. Infinite canvas, you can download it and use it without any problems. So this is it. Okay, here we go. Now having having this is gonna take kind of a lot of time, and I'm not sure if I should focus in terminal canvas or in content. I am trying to focus on both, but let's see which one of these two projects gives me more attention. And the content is something that I really want to do. That's why now I am working on this project. The idea, um, it's simple, to reach people at the emotional level when talking about AI. I notice a lot of people they just don't want, so it's emotion about AI, you know. They don't want to accept that AI is a big deal. So I just want to break this barrier. Uh, it's more like, I don't know. I say this. I'm trying to create like emotional content. Let's see some of that content. Um, let's see what we got. These are two pieces of this content: the Living Ink and the Party in the CIA. They are both songs and video animations. Um, and yeah, that's the idea. This is my two pieces of content, but I want to create more content. Um, what more? Yeah, I think this is it. Now let's continue. Now, what I'm doing now is this piece of content. Look at this: 2 views, 8 views. They are not reaching the people I want to reach. So I need to improve it. First, the reach of I have, let's say, these accounts on X also. What more? Instagram. Damn it. Well, I already got an emotion here. Look at that. I have a one like. This is everything. And the idea is automate this reach of people, you know. Here's my other content about AI. It's just teaching how advanced AI will don't care about humans. But the idea is simple, you know. Just create content about it. That's basically it. Now I am trying to schedule a system that is gonna do this posting, commenting, interacting in the socials automatically. So that's why I am setting this system. Uh, Short form drops from the backlog. Live stream ready list to approve and schedule. You always running weekly content batch, retail that marketer agent. Oh, I didn't show it to you. To help me with that, I have two agents: marketer agent and a wall radar agent. Marketer agent is pretty straightforward. It's gonna push my content, and the wall radar agent is gonna keep me in touch with reality, what is happening outside. Uh, mm, for for now. Okay, operating system. You are check the point level. How many days of shots to dark target buffer? Pull the days goes from the backlog. Keep it minimal and decisive. Do not overbuild. The judge is edited reaching people. Not did I post every day. Shell. Let's test it out. Okay, at 7 p.m. only on Sunday. How to press the week suffices for your approval. Um, where is this schedule tasks? Okay, folder every Sunday. Let's gonna see how this is working, but Uh, I hope it's gonna work well. Updating tasks. Uh, mm, okay. Now let's go again with the content. What new piece of content I will create? I'm not sure, to be honest. I am not sure, but I think I already have a poem. The last time I wrote a poem. Um, let's see if can load. Okay, now check this folder because this is the last folder I was working on, and I want you to check the last poem. It's poem version 3, I guess. And the idea is that we're gonna create content for this. We're gonna create a lot of content, but let's start with a poem. I guess working with this poem was a lot of progress for me, at least. Is my first poem. I don't know what to do with that piece of content. Of course, I share it in my personal Instagram, but aside from that, I'm just thinking how to make it to be actual watchable content. I am thinking perhaps convert it to music or make a video clip. I think the music side is where I go more. uh, I think we can do is first use an AI music generators to create a music based on the lyrics, or improve the lyrics and make it more interesting, and then I will learning to sing it and publish it. And after that we can, I guess, created a video, but first created the song, I guess. Yeah. Now I know that I am being kind of too ambitious by trying to create a for trying to do everything like my audio, create a video, but it's something that I enjoy doing. I know it's gonna take me lot of time, but something that I just like to do it. Um, what more? What more? Mm, the system is built in Subruno. Here is not the system depends in the keep short capture triggers the shell opening warm system. Mm, the distribution engine. Market okay. Prime edit. Okay, I think we can improve this. We are just now focusing on we need to focus on all my socials. So X could be a good place to reach more people, and also YouTube Shorts. I don't know. Let's just continue pushing my content. The thing is, now I want to first my old content, create a lot of pieces of content from my own content and push it more. I noticed that the party on the CIA music has a lot of different people. Like I don't know. It has Dario, it has Ilya, it has Demis. So perhaps we can hashtag them or make something in X, or that more people reach it. Let's think about this in depth. I think if you need the context, just go find the context. All the context is on. Let me pass you the context. Uh, 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 okay. I'm gonna have to open this. Yes, here we go. Okay, here you can search the content and also yeah, just search for the content. And remember, you are the planner here. You are the mind. So I need you good strategies in how to go to socials. Also, I think there are skills that will teach you how to be good on socials. I will, if you can search it, or I will search it and you can use it. The marketer agent. Okay, what we got here? The point critic words log. The to work on solution needs some repetition and actual hook. Hopefully should I adapt the words. Keep the words exact, light some share, free or right. I want to work on the song today. Yeah, but it's gonna take less importance because I already have the poem. The poem was the main time-consuming thing. Now the music is now singing it is gonna be the other time consuming it. But now generating the music is not gonna be too much problem. What music style mood do you want before the song? Dark, singer, cinematic. Help me decide. The marketer, okay, got it. The rest of the ship. Stop streaming one film at a job. Many pieces across with a serious rich surface, and the part inside is shallow. It's visual, which is built-in rich hook. Let me go to the context and think properly. Algorithm create algorithm art using media distribution, random interactive. Canvas design, create beautiful visual art and document. Okay, this could work. Possible Slack with creator. I don't know. Let's install the skills that I think I will need. Here we go. This code auxiliary runtime, video generation, video edit. This for later. Content marketing, right? Marketing psychology. This could work. Marketing ideas. Oh, what creative. Social content. Marketing. What other words aside from marketing is content? Content strategy, marketing skills, personal content creator, social content. Okay, let's actually read these skills to see if they are some article principles covering independent thinking or principal jobs. Inversion theory of constraint, okay. Include percentage community, okay. Probably design, okay. It seems like it's gonna help. Social content. Or LinkedIn. Formats includes content pillar framework hook formula proposing workflows, okay. Content strategy, please plan research content trace traffic. Persona content creator because this is crazy. Content strategy, social content, marketing strategy. Okay, let's install this. Let's install it, bro. Bam. Global, start directory, directory global. Bam. Mm, of course, now we're just picking randomly, but later we're gonna go deep on this, pick the best ones. So I'm just gonna ask them, the AI, to find the best ones, you know. Uh, we are ready to rumble here, global. Uh, okay. I'm gonna tell it that it needs to check this. The spread over the living. Make a yes party. Let's rumble equally. How is it in the real leaders? Nejak tag fair recomendada. Tag them directly to Newsjack. Tag address the channel initiative now. Push content first. Push content first. Yeah. I added some global skills on for marketing. Okay. Mm, let's continue. Okay, the market is working. Now the piece of poem is ready to go. Let's find it. Where is that story? What is this? Side bias? Initiation ceremony. I have fear of it that. For territories, me poems. Piece 1 point between. David. The option for special question might not. Maybe because they will have nothing. Okay, confirm that the changes. Specify another point and turn into song. I wrote Ask Me in 5 years. A few rewrite with a proper verse. What is that? Deep exploration. What is that? Being showing file. What is that? Where do you put that? Emotional piece song lyrics. Okay. Words were locked as a poem. Okay, lyrics. A man said, don't go counting on a long life. And something in my chest came loose that night. I didn't say word. I didn't tell a soul. Afraid they would look at me straight. Afraid they already know. Whoa. Was it a prophecy or just permission? A regret not to live. I call it fate. This is the chorus. I call it brave. I will know that life down safe. There a room for the world end or are just for one small room or just out of one small room. So don't ask me now if it was real. Ask me in 5 years. Uh, mm, I don't know. Style. First, let's think about the style. How I want this to be achieved, you know. That's the main thing. What the final version looks like. Let's start from the end. Um, mm, I am going into the style of a little bit of rap, but it's a slow rap. You know, it's not a or it's a combination between a poetic recitation between rap. Uh, yeah, I want to explore that because, and also I am thinking first, given that I'm gonna sing it, I want to start with the Spanish because I'm more comfortable there. My English is not really good, to be fair, and I can do both. I will try to do both, but Spanish is gonna be more easy for me. Um, I guess we can start there, but this is the idea, you know. There are, I think you need the references, like these are the reference. I'm gonna type it there. Nudge, what more? Green A and 13 and Marwan and which is the other guy? I think this is it. With Marwan is the poetic side, and yeah. Uh, okay. What we got there? Alloyd. Yeah. Okay. 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 Uh, Now, I think this is gonna take less time. To suspend, but is always what language should the song be? I don't know, bro. Let's speak both Spanish and English, and I want to test which one I am more comfortable with. Uh, First test. Here I'm doing a lot of exploration because I really don't know. Um, um, mm, mm, mm. Okay, the system. Uh, Editing files. Okay. Mm, Now I need to, I think, focus on the obvious thing, right? I am focusing too much on creating stuff, and I guess I should focus on this one, making money. That it's always gonna be related at some point with other things. So let's create a project from scratch and let's figure out how the AI is gonna help me to do that. Uh, 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 where we're gonna put this? I think this interface I really liked it. It the good thing is showing me what is happening on each part of the stage. I really like that. The only problem is that I don't see how I can manage a lot of agents here. Perhaps later they are gonna add mm, more, but yeah, I guess they are also figuring out. They are also trying to figure out the correct structure in how to manage these subagents. Uh, well, let's continue then. The song is done. Um, uh, Poet. Nunca dije porque no se conté nada, quizás el miedo de que me miraran raro, quizá porque me habrían entendido, entonces yo también habría tenido que entenderme. ¿Era una profecía o solo permiso? Una razón bastante grande para irme. Eh, English version. Yeah, I know we need to use the AI to tell them to generate the music. Now use the Vertex Lyria skill to generate the song. Okay. Uh, let's update. Okay, we're updating now the schedule task, but more than updating, we need to define it very well. Right now, doing experiments. So I want you to be more proactive now and think about what we're gonna do now and the different socials I have, and create the pieces of content. First having it on files, and then the, just act on this planning on these files that where the plan is, and just do it right now. Later we can think about scheduling things when we have defined a good strategy. uh, uh, okay. This is the thing now with this. No, I don't see what really is happening here. Or yeah, I can see. I can see. I can see. Uh, Home success of um, hmm. I wonder if I'm gonna need to use code. I guess I will have to do it. Yeah. Mm. About. Okay, review what we are doing until today. Which model we are using, and more importantly, I need to check if we're logging well into the cloud. Uh, I guess I just need to focus more on. Damn it! Oh, help me. Oh, it works. Please. Okay. I will not show you my password. I guess this is gonna work well. I guess this is it. No, fuck. No. Good. Now, don't hack me, please. Fuck. Okay, we're authenticated. Let's just tell them if they can run. Uh, and okay, so yeah, they can run commands, but in the slide. I don't- I doesn't have you doesn't have es que you must terminate guardar como uh, yeah. New session. Let's use the not the vault. Let's use a local. Let's add a new folder. Documents. Vault. Projects. iContent. Fuck. Damn. Stop thinking about winning. Focus on this game. No, not the vault. I need a new session. It doesn't need recent this one. And I'm gonna tell him to just give me the instructions to tell Cloud Code what he has to do. Okay. I guess we're ready to rumble. I'm using Cloud in Chrome. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. It's already doing some spamming on the web, you know. We close that, and let's see what he's doing. This double dash, I don't like it. The humanizer skill is loading. But also I need you to check my writing. My writing is just find where is my writing and just try to write like me, you know. The idea is that, yeah, I guess you can write up my style, my persona skills, my writing style, and just use that writing style for me, you know. And why this is continue there? I don't know. Let's see. We have the song working. Full song. The Spanish room fan. Not the content. Let me check. So what would the target? No. Orga project. Damn it. Don't post it yet, please. I need you to use my voice, not. Uh, this is another version. So that you just. Just keep it a bit more, keep a bit more polished. Lower case casual. Uh, Humanize copywriting skill. Yeah, seems like it's working. Now I need to check that. Fuck. Where is that? Cloud. Let's see what is happening here because I don't know. What? Why I had to log in? Damn it. Mm. Ah. Okay, which is the project? Bubble Hope. This is the fucking project. And I guess I will just minimize this. We'll try. What you're gonna do? I'm kind of going crazy with so many screens. Let's just keep it organized. Mm, no, I think like the song. Okay, it works. Okay, seems like it's working. Product review, code search. Let's remove that. Archive. Delete. Delete this. Exclude in my workspace. What about archive? Okay, here we go. This could work. I'm not sure. Adding content, just give me a stone just to tell the cloud what to do. Okay. Running, generate English version. Okay, it's working. Everything's working now. I guess it's just time to focus on the main thing that is going to make money. Let's see. I don't know if you use Cowork or use Cloud Code for this. I guess for the thinking part is gonna be Cowork, and for the coding part is gonna be the yeah. Let's create a new project. Let's work on the Vault. Okay, now I want you to focus on let's plan about how to get money. Yeah, let's just think about that. And remember, this is AI first, agent first. So the idea is that we leverage that. The idea is imagine this. I need an example of the real world will be hiring a person to sell stuff for you. So you have to pay this person. It's gonna be selling for you, but in the AI era, you can use agents to do that for you, right? And similar, like it's selling something, creating something, everything's gonna be done by the AI. So we leverage that, and we explore what are the state of the art on AI, the limits of AI, what people want to, what are some marketplaces or some good markets where I could jump in, and yeah, let's just analyze it and go deep on that. And also, importantly, I have a background of launching a lot of projects, so analyze that background of me and tell me where I could go from there, um, and ask me any questions if you have, the idea is to reach a common understanding and then go all in. Um, Look at that prompt, bro. Uh, we have posted something. Posts. I didn't post something. Damn it. Uh, let's see what is going on YouTube. Everything is working all right. It can understand me and can push back and tell me, stuff. So this is the public. There is the template. Chat is connected. Please wait until we get unable to connect to chat. Please try again. Everything I will do will be. I got one like. Who gave me that like? I don't fucking know. My experiment of documenting everything. Now, the other two projects are creating content about what is happening on AI, but from an emotional standpoint, because I noticed that people just don't want to accept that AI is a big deal. So there is a barrier there, an emotional barrier. So I will push content to break this emotional barrier and make people believe into AI more. Gain. And lastly, the terminal canvas. This is kind of experiment where I am trying to create my my best way to manage a lot of agents, a lot of AIs. I am not sure. Damn it. Okay, sorry about that. The audio was not good. But I guess this is a good time to end it. I stream with this audio that is not great yet. Yeah, the next thing we're gonna do is focus on how to make money. I already sent a prompt to the AI, so we're gonna think here. Damn, a lot of questions. Yeah, we're gonna do this together. I'm gonna record everything about this, so everyone can know what I'm doing. What more? Yeah, I guess we're gonna take a break. Let me just verify the audio, it's alright. I'm gonna record everything about this, so everyone can know what I'm doing. What more? Well, this seems like a funny experiment. Okay, guys, see you around.